Hi, today we are going to see how to use Google Maps in offline. First, go to your Maps app and then search for the location that you want to download. I'm searching for Italy. Now zoom in your area that you download. Now for downloading your map, click on the cross icon beside the microphone icon and you will find your profile beside the microphone icon. Click on your profile. Then you have to select offline maps under location sharing. Now click on select your own map. Now zoom in or zoom out the area that you want to use in your offline maps. This will show you how much space will take in your device for downloading the map. After selecting your area, click on download. It will take some time, depends on your connection for downloading the maps. After finishing your download, click on the map that you downloaded. I'm downloaded Rome. Now here you will see your map. You can use it in offline also. So I'm gonna turn off my Wi-Fi and you can see now I can use it because I downloaded it. You can see restaurant, groceries, hotels, gas, attraction, parks, coffee and more option by click on more option here. If I want to see restaurant, I can see it because I downloaded it. Look, I have no internet connection, but the map showing the places that have the restaurants. This is how you can use Google Maps in offline. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.